Hola chicos! So at this point we've done a couple things. You've made a script, you've recorded yourself speaking at the camera, and you have clips of your outfits that you have created from the Corte Inglés. Now here's how we're going to combine the two. Make sure you have both video sets saved on your camera roll for this next step. Now to make a more professional video, I always take a minute to make a title page. So you can use something like Explain Everything or the Drawing at Paper 53 and save an image to your camera roll to use as your title slide. So now you have three things. You have a video of yourself talking, you have a title slide, and you have the video clips of your outfits. Make sure all of them are accessible on your camera roll. Then you're going to open iMovie. We need to start a new project. Open iMovie and then choose the plus symbol to start a new project. After the plus, you're going to choose the movie option. It'll then bring you to a page to select your clips, and you're going to need to select your first clip of you talking and click Create Movie. To start your project, we need to start inserting your clips. Use the plus button to do so. So you need to first insert your title slide. That will go first in your little timeline down at the bottom. Then we need to insert your clip of yourself talking. So you can see that you have the media options up at the top right hand corner to add different things like videos and photos into your new movie. So at this point, now that we've added those two sets of videos or photos, you should see in your storyboard, which is the tiles down below, like you see in mine, that you should have first your title and then it should play the clip of you talking. Our last step is to create video in video. That's like when you watch the news and an anchor is talking and then all of a sudden it cuts away to images of the events they are talking about. We're going to do the same thing with the imagery and the video clips that we created of our Corte Inglés outfits. Now our first step is we have to insert the video, but we have to do something a little different. So we're going to hit the plus symbol, choose videos, and find the first outfit clip that we're going to talk about. Then we're going to click the three-dot button menu instead of simply inserting it. Again, we need the three dots that appear when you click on the clip. The three dots will turn into a couple different options. We want the middle option that has the more defined rectangle. That will momentarily allow us to play a clip while our video of us talking is still playing. So we're going to select that middle rectangle. Now you'll notice instead of just your storyline that was there before with your title and you talking, a small bar appears above those images. That's the new clip you just inserted. When that section plays, it'll cut away to whatever that small bar is. We need to be able to edit that small bar, however, because we don't want it to show up for very long, just long enough for us to talk about our outfits. So here's how we do that. So now what we do, if we click on that small clip that's above our other storyboard items with our clothing, we can edit it. See, notice how it turns yellow when we tap on it. Once you have selected it and it's yellow, you can actually drag the ends to shorten the clip or lengthen the clip. You can also press and hold in order to drag the clip where you need it to appear. So if you are talking about your white t-shirt you bought and you want the white t-shirt picture to pop up, I can drag that little section of clip to where I talk about those items in order to make sure they correspond. Now we want to shorten these so that they only pop up for about 10 seconds or so, maybe even 15. They should not take over your video. Your video again should be mostly you speaking with a little bit of imagery added on top. So again, to recap, here's what we did. We added a title slide. Then we added a strip of our video that was us just talking at the camera. Then we added a separate clip to show up on top of the original. We can edit it by selecting the little strip of clip that is above our original storyline and drag things to where they need to go. You need to repeat this process for each outfit you plan to talk about. So we have to add each clip that we have saved on our camera roll, change it to make sure it is not too long, and drag it to the point in the dialogue where it is being talked about. Your goal now with your project is to follow these steps for yourself. Again, to make a little title slide insert the video of you speaking towards the camera, and then start to practice how to add those clips that are briefly going to pop up while you are talking. Again, refer back to this video, help each other out, and if you have any questions, try looking things up online. Most things with iMovie are pretty intuitive. You just have to try some things to get the desired results, such as moving the clips or adding different pictures and videos. So your next step is editing. We need to make these videos complete by adding all these parts together we talked about today. Good luck, and let's see what we can do for editing. Buena suerte!